Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aditya, and in this video we'll be doing or understanding the concept of data types in Python. So if you have seen the introduction video, I have told that we'll be starting programming in Python. But before programming, it is very good to understand the concept and then go and do coding. So as per the title, if you have seen, I have written that we'll be learning data types. So those are kind of the basic stuff in any programming language. So first let us discuss about variables before going on to data types. So a variable is just like a container in which you can store a value, and that variable can have a name, any kind of name. So let us just have a small example. So I'll just create a variable called my name, and I'll assign to my name, that is in Aditya, I'll just keep double quotes and I'll assign it. So my name is a variable and it is containing the value which is on the right side. So right side value is going on to the left side. So that was about variables. Just a simple summary that variables can store data. Now coming to data types. So if you have seen that my name is equal to Aditya, I have kept two quotes, and the two quotes, whatever is there inside the two quotes, is representing as a string. So what is a string? A string is nothing but sequence of characters, but they cannot perform any calculations. So this Aditya cannot do multiplication, addition. So that is about strings. It is just used to display data, store information and process information. Nothing much like calculations or kind of doing in functions or something like that. Now coming to the integer data type, which is, as per the name you can guess, it stores integers or numbers. It can be negative or positive, and it can even do calculations. So that was about integers. And the another data type is float. So what is float? A float is just like decimal values. You want to have more precise sometimes in your programs, so that time you use float. I can just write my float is equal to and some decimal value, then it will have, let us have pi only 3.14 and have some large precision. So it can store a lot of values, means it has a lot of precision in that float, my float. We can have fractional values inside them. So that was about float. Similar, they can also perform calculations. Now let us go on and learn boolean or bool data type. These data types are almost same in any programming language. So what is bool? Bool is just like it can only store two values. It will either represent as true or either false. So let us have just a small variable called is male. So it represents if I am male or female. So if I keep is male is equal to true, then it is storing that I am male. So that is about boolean data type. So guys, these are kind of a basic data types which are must know. And there are even another data types like lists and dictionaries, which are similar to JavaScript, arrays and objects. If you are not familiar with JavaScript, don't worry, we'll cover these soon. So thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates.